Okay, so say hello to Autodesk Build. Next.
Hundreds of changes, thousands of copies, all working steps to deliver on time, on budget, on schedule. Delivering complex projects requires intuitive methods to flows, intuitive tools for sharing plans, and project data. Powerful predictive insights, driving better business outcomes. This is Autodesk Build, project management, field collaboration, cost control, all managed together, in the office, in the field, in real time. That is plans of data from design, research, directly to owners and fields, reducing turnaround time and communication, without sacrificing our realistic focus. Smart drawings leverage the power and the field. Modern data is properly in 2D and 3D. Issues, annotations, and photos can be used to work together directly on the drawings and travel difference from any device. Connected meeting minutes, forms, and methods, and provide collaboration. Organization needs solutions. It snaps to RMI, change order, and short focus, reducing confusion, risk, and motivation. Practice. It's more organization. It's to dashboards, finding better today and tomorrow. Balance collaboration, drive decisions, and deliver insights. Time to build with Autodesk Build.
Okay, so that is just an overview. So if you see here, so under Autodesk Build, we cover project management, cost management, safety, quality, project closeout. So project closeout is actually referring to your documentation, your final completion, or as-built survey. And if you see the RFI, submitter, minutes of meeting is covered under project management, and we have safety, and we also have quality, and also cost management. So in the cost management, it's more into you capture or you save all of your subcontractor information or your main contractor information about all the elements, price, and also items in BQ. Okay, so I'll start with RFI and how you are going to, this is actually usually in RFI process, you have lots of reviewer, maybe one reviewer or two reviewer, which is this one can be created in Autodesk Build, which is single reviewer or multiple reviewer. And then of course during your RFI process, you want to know the material information, like for example, what is the specific color code for this wall, or what is the concrete grade type that that architects or the engineer are using to construct the constructions. Okay, not only that, the budget, the site conditions, payment terms. Sometimes you're asking for the subcon, what is the payment terms for bricks, okay? And design discrepancy is always happening during design stage and also construction stage. Okay, so this is one of sample that I've created my the issues. Okay, so when you create the issues, you can actually like say for example, you have to request type of concrete grade for culvert. Okay, I have one project, they want community. So and it has covered that I need to check the concrete type. So you can assign to the specific person or you can assign to the company. Okay, so you can have the location detail, the location that ground floor, first floor, this one you can actually predefine with the project, whether this is a high-rise building or the landed house or any development like they want community. So you can actually predefine, and then you can actually pinpoint the locations that you want to request for RFI, which one, which drawings, which documentation, which BQ. Okay, and then so you can create the issue. So when you create the issues, you can see all the issues, the status, whether it's open, it is in review, and each of the RFI that you created, you always can add file reference in Autodesk Docs. So if you are Autodesk AEC user, so basically AEC user will have Autodesk Docs. So in all the information in Autodesk Docs, when you create RFI, so you can actually attach the file reference. Okay. So this is the file that I have attached in my RFI just now. So this is what the BQ, you can actually highlight, you can actually create a comment into this BQ. Okay, so you have your own conventional forms for inspection, which is the manual way. So you always take photo, this is what we do, and then submit photo to manager, and then you go to the office, you need to prepare a report, and then whether the site report is compliance or not, the manager have to check. And then what's next? Okay, the client, submit to client for the payment if you are a contractor. If you are contractor and you have to submit the your owner, the owner or developer, to request the payment once you have done the works in construction, right? So this is the conventional way, and you always use form. You always use form, you always use paper when you go to the site. Okay, so this is how I do. Using my tab, I prefer tab more instead of phone, because phone is too small, unless if your phone is have a bigger size. Okay, so I create, this is our ACC, okay, ACC platform. And then this is project. So this is how I actually create the inspection, okay, using tab. Okay, you can actually write this one. Okay, why I show exactly as manual? Because some of the customers, some of the contractors, some of clients, architects, they already have their own form. And then they don't want to configure digitally. So they want exactly as how the PDM form to be converted in Autodesk Build. So this is what I do. They still use the one that they always use. It's just that they have to fill in the information. And then if you don't want to use this, we always can digitize for you. Do it digitally. Okay, so you can have three when you do site inspection. Of course, the client representative is there, engineer is there, and the contractor is there. So this is what has been configured for the locations, and then you can actually take picture. You remember just now I just create the issue, right? So I just type back the issue inside here. Okay, and then I take the photo. Okay, once you capture photo with your ACC mobile, it will not save in your mobile data. It will automatically save in the cloud. Okay, so it will not consume a space in your mobile phone. Okay, so you see just now, I just did my review, and then once your manager has confirmed, you can actually approve it and directly close. So this is what the report. Okay, once you done with your inspection, you have your photo, you have your project information, and this information is actually updated to the current day that you are doing the inspection, and this is the form. And what you will get, project information, due date to submit RFI, okay, it is captured, and PDF form export. This is PDF form export. You don't need to actually create back your report when you go back to the office. Photo drawing, and you have full activity log, okay, inside the inspection. So some conventional forms just now, you already automate this. It is the same process, but you already automate it. So how you want to see? So you can actually see part of the reporting process is already covered when you do digital project management process. Okay, So other than that, we have minutes of meeting, and how minutes of meeting can improve in your weekly or monthly meeting in your construction project. So this is meeting discussion payment claim by EBSB is one of the main contractor or subcontractor. And that extension of time. If you see the attachment here, this attachment is actually comes from your Autodesk projects. Okay. And it capture all the inviting, all the attendance inside, and you can actually whether this item is still open or already closed or still in review. Okay, so this is how you can do minutes of meeting in Autodesk Build. So tracking your payment application. Let's see how. Okay, so you have cost here. The process I take here is actually for main contractor, how they can actually pay to the subcontractor. This is one of the process. So this billing period, you have the date between 1 November until 29 October until November 4. Okay, you have two items, kipas, ceiling, and lampu kecemasan. Two only because you have subcontractors to do this for you lah, for the construction. And inside this, you just add you can actually do both. Either you want to select the percentage, or you can or you want to actually update the amount you want to pay. So you can actually, the schedule value, this is the value that you have to pay for the contractor for the total, but the one that I just pay is only based on the work progress. Okay. Okay, you can actually under mechanical. So you can actually see what's the balance that you have to pay to the subcontractor. And inside here also, you can actually link any documentation. Let's say, for example, the work has been done. And then, of course, you want to attach any photo, okay? As proof that the subcontractor already done the work, okay? This process of workflow, of course, can be architecture between contractor, developer, between architect. It depends on how you actually create the workflow. Okay. So that is part of the cost management process. There's a lot more than this, but I'm trying to show a bit of cost management. So from the cost management, this is I would say the data analytics. So you can actually see the original budget, okay, for which item you are spending more on that. And you have the report. This report you can actually auto generate, and this report also you can actually link to Power BI to create more data analytics. And this is the information that what we have done for the cost management. And you also have the budget trends for furniture, metal. You can see furniture. I spend more on the cost management for furniture. And this is the one that when you have this scheduling report every weekly, okay, you can actually link to this Power BI. So this one is already inside in ACC build. You just select or you just beautify the data analytics only. Okay. So to summarize up on what I've explained to you just now. So under Autodesk Build, okay, it's covered under project management, cost management, quality, safety, and project cost out. And this is the unified data that you always capture for the BIM project or not BIM project, models, drawing, documentation, cost, Excel, okay? And then it's create insight, dashboard, reports, construction, IQ. All of this is captured under ACC Cloud Construction. So you have BIM and you have ACC. So without you realize, actually you are capturing all the data. You collect the data and you always update with the BIM model, the information. And if you connect with asset like Luffy shared just now for the tandem, and it will connect the huge metadata, and you will have data rich information. So I think that's all for today, and I'll just share with you that this is our new upgrade feature for VR, but we call it an Autodesk Workshop XR. Okay, so this will be coming. Okay, it will updated in our future in Autodesk future development. It's already launched in in AU, right? It's already launched. Okay, so we see how ACC can actually connect with VR. Okay, so thank you.